Hello everyone. Now I am going to teach mathematics of class 9. On our previous video, we learned exercise 1.1 and 1.2. In this video, we learn exercise 1.3. Firstly, we see some definitions. Terminating decimal or decimal that ends after a finite number of digits is called a terminating decimal. Repeating or recurring decimal. Or decimal in which or digits or a set of digits is repeated periodically is called a repeating or recurring decimal. Or decimal that ends after a finite number of digits. As example, if you write 2 by 5, so we divide 2 by 5, 0.5 for the 20. Here the number of any digit is ends after a finite number of digits. Like that, you will write 2 by 5 is equal to 0.4. So it is terminating decimal. If you write 1 by 3, then we divide 1 by 3, 0.3 3 is a 9. Like that, 3 is comes. So we write 0.33333. So we write here 0.3 recurring. So it is a repeating or recurring decimal. Exercise 1.3. Question number 1 first. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion it had. 36 by 100. So we write 0.36. So it is a terminating decimal. Second, 1 by 11. We divide 1 by 11, 0.0. Now 11 9 ja 99. Again we write 0. Again 0. 11 9 ja 99. So we write 0.0909. So 0.09 reckoning. So it is a repeating or recurring decimal. Question number 2. 1 by 7 is equal to 0.14285 7 to the reckoning. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7? So 2 by 7 is equal to 2 multiply 1 by 7. So we write 2 multiply 0.14287. Reckoning. 2 7 are 14. 5 to 10 1 balance 1. 17 7. 2 to the 4 1 5. 2 4 8 2 1 2. Like that we write the expansion of 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Question number 3. Write, express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Let x equal to 0.6 bracket. So we write x equal to 0.666 equation first. Now we see at what number of digits at the reckoning place. So there is one digit on which reckoning is placed. So we multiplying both sides by 10 to the power of how many number has reckoning. So there is 1, 10 to the power 1 equal to 10. We get 10x is equal to, if you multiply 0.666 multiply 10, then it is 6.666 equation second. Now second minus first, 10x minus x is equal to 9x. 6.666 minus 0.666 is equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3. Now question number second, let x equal to 0.47 and 7 has a reckoning. So we write x equal to 0.4777 equation first. Firstly we see on how many digits there is no reckoning. So there is one digit on which reckoning is not placed. So we multiplying both sides by 10 to the power the number of digits on which reckoning is not placed. So there is one digit, so we multiply 10 to the power 1 equal to 10. We get 10x is equal to 4.777 equation second. Again multiplying both sides by 10 to the power number of digits on which reckoning is placed. There is one digit, so again 10 to the power 1 equal to 10. We get 10 10 the 100x is equal to 47.777 equation 3. Now 3 minus 2, 100 minus 10, 90x, 47 minus 4, 43. X equal to 43 by 90. Now question number 8. Write three different irrational numbers between the irrational number 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So firstly we find 5 by 7's decimal expansion. So divide 5 by 7. 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7, like that. 0.71. 9 by 11, 11 8 ja 88, 11 1 ja 11, so 0.81. 3 irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.82. 0.75, 01, 001, 0001, 0.76, 02, 002, 0002, 0.78, 05, 005, 0005. Like that, you solve all questions. So you solve all questions of exercise 1.3 by yourself. On our next video, we discuss on other exercises.